Hi. In order to learn how to edit in Adobe Premiere, the easiest way is to double click on this. And from here, you can actually edit right away. This is called the in point, and that is called the out point. So basically what you can do is you can click and position where you want. Say I want to edit from here. I click on the in point, and then I proceed on, and I want this clip to be separated. So I do an out point, and what I can do now is click and drag it and add it to this. So what you're seeing now is an in point and out point. So it can go on, you can edit, say you don't like this, you want this. I can proceed further and then do an out point from there, and then I move my endpoint here. Say I just want the endpoint from here, and then it goes all the way till here. So I can keep adding whatever I want. So this is one way of adding an endpoint output, and you can do the whole editing right here. So you can see that I'm repeating this. So you can also edit, I can make this smaller. And the advantage is you can zoom in or zoom out. You can zoom in and zoom out. Say you're right here, and you can zoom out and go right there, or you can extend as you want it. So this is just showing you the whole clip. Suppose you have a long clip, it is showing you can zoom in and zoom out right here. You can also move this left and right. Say you want to cut something out right here. You want to cut something out right here. You can take the eraser tool, and then I can cut it. Make sure you cut both the sound and from here I can just click on this and hold shift and press delete. It is gone. But the best way to do this is, say I undo this. I click on this and I click hold shift and do a right click and go to ripple delete. This is called ripple delete. So if you click on that, automatically this will cover up and your movie will start from here. Say I want the movie to start from here, and I want to edit this part out. I can do this, and say I take the selection tool, click on the top one, and then click on the bottom one, and do a right click, do ripple delete. So your movie will start from there now. Say I want this section out. I take the eraser tool or the blade, and I want this part out. And then I can select, holding shift with the left mouse button, do right click and ripple delete. So it has cut out some part of it. So this is the way to do most of the editing. And if you want to take something out, you want something to be revised, say you want this to come, I can hold shift, or I can do a selection like this with the left mouse button, and I can move the whole thing here, and I can go in, say I want this to come right here. I can go and select with my left mouse button, and I can do a right click here and do a ripple delete. So now you can see that the movie starts in a different way. So remember, ripple delete, your what do you call razor tool to edit, in this place to edit with in and out point. Hope that helps, and this is the basics of editing in Adobe Premiere.